We're going to go ahead and take an overview of the Chevy Colorado backup light LED install. We're going to go over first what you need to install it, second the LED light bulb installation, and third what it looks like with the old versus the new lights. You're going to need some truck keys, a Phillips screwdriver, and an LED light bulb, 2 of them. When you open your tailgate, you'll see that there are 2 screws that hold on your tail light, one on the top, one on the bottom, and once you remove them, the tail light should be relatively free, so you can wiggle it back and forth just a tad bit, but you're going to pull straight out. You're going to have to put some work into it. Once you pull it out, you'll have access to the middle light. Turn it 1/4 of a turn to the right, and that will release it so you can pop in the new LED bulb. These are the little clips that hold the light in after you screw them in. So on the left you can see what the LED bulb looks like, and on the right is the original incandescent 18-watt bulb. The camera is making up for how bright the LED is, so it's brighter in person. And here they are both on at the same time. You can see that they are substantially brighter than the LED bulbs and consume about 1/6 the amount of power.